Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So literally in this video we're going to be looking at what are the top 5 loan apps in Nigeria which you can actually use to borrow a loan in Nigeria today. And of course I've made different kind of videos on how to borrow money online, how to get a loan online, loan apps without collateral, loan app with collateral, and loan app without BVN, as well as loan apps in Nigeria without ATM card. I've made different kind of videos regarding loans so that it will make life easier for us. But in this video I'm going to be looking out to top 5 loan apps in Nigeria which can actually look up to, and then you can have trust in them, use them to borrow a loan online and pay at your own time, as well as they also have a very low interest rate which you can just opt in for them and start getting the loans to sort out some personal bills or to start a small business online or anywhere, or physical business as well. So I'm walking you through the top 5 loan apps in Nigeria which you can actually use to get a loan and start your business online or physical local business anywhere you are in Nigeria. So let's get started and see which one is actually the first loan app in Nigeria which you can actually use to borrow money online. So Palm Credit is one of the best loan apps in Nigeria today. As you can also see and might have heard about what Palm Credit does and then how Palm Credit actually works. I've also make a full intensive video on regarding Palm Credit and how it actually works. And with Palm Credit you can get a loan of up to 1 million naira depending on the kind of bank account you use and how trusted your account is, how much you receive on a monthly basis, if you're a business owner, if you don't do business. So these are all the things that Palm Credit will look into before they give you a loan, and it's very lucrative and they're very stress-free as well. If you want to borrow a loan from Palm Credit, they have a 4.2 rating, and over the total reviews on Palm Credit on the Play Store is over 170,000 reviews, and over 5 million people have downloaded Palm Credit loan app, regardless of people that just download the app without using it. So if I install the app on my phone right now and I did not use it to borrow a loan, this will also count as well because I already downloaded the app from Google Play Store. You can work out through Palm Credit and see how it actually works, as well as Palm Credit is also one of the top 10 apps under finance niche, finance industry to be precise. And you can trust this app anytime, any day if you want to get a loan from Palm Credit. Like I said earlier, you can get a loan for up to like 1 million naira. So it all depends on the kind of bank you're running, but the minimum loan you can get from Palm Credit is 10,000 naira, and no collateral, no paperwork, and very secure and reliable platform which you can use to borrow a loan in Nigeria today. And they also have a low interest rate, like I said earlier on, so you can check out them and then start borrowing loan online today. The second loan apps in Nigeria, which is one of the best loan apps and the top loan apps in Nigeria today, is Carbon. Carbon have a lot of features, same things as Palm Credit as well, but then I was able to mention it in this video in this particular app so that you definitely understand more features which all this app can actually give you. So with Carbon you can save up money, you can borrow a loan, and you can pay up bills. And with savings you can earn a commission on any amount you save with Carbon, and with a loan you can borrow a loan and pay a little interest fee depending on how much you are borrowing and how much they say you are going to pay back when you actually want to pay back the money you borrow from the platform. And you can also pay bills like NEPA bills, buy data, electricity, and all that. So with that you'll be able to see more features regarding Carbon loan app, as well as you also see the app was updated this month, which is one of the greatest things they have done so far on this particular app. They keep on updating the app so that users who have great experience and avoid any bugs within the app. And with Carbon Zero, they also have Carbon Zero, where you can buy things online and pay later with Carbon. So they are going to stand between you and the company which you want to buy something from. So they'll be the intermediary between both parties. So they will also manage the account as well as manage the payment. So anytime you want to pay back the loan you borrow, they are going to be the one to integrate the payment through their platform and pay back the business you purchased any goods from. So with Carbon, they have close to 150,000 reviews, and the overall rating is 4.5, which is actually great, and the total downloads is 1 million plus and still counting, because people also trust this Carbon, and also they are very interested in using Carbon to borrow a loan online. Carbon also offer ATM card, which is Visa and virtual card as well, in case you want to make an online payment and in case you need an ATM card to withdraw with a physical ATM machine. So they also offer that so that it will make life easier for everyone, and they are trying to make sure that the kids banking fees. So with all this ATM card, you make use of it through ATM, and there won't be any charges for you from your end or from your account. So that make it more easier, because I also use one of this bank which I'm going to review in this video. I have the ATM card which I use to withdraw money at a physical ATM machine, which is very, very easy and it's very smooth. So with Carbon, you can get a loan for up to like 1 million Naira with Carbon, depending on the kind of account you actually run, and then it's very easy. They disburse a loan 24/7 as long as you have internet access, and you can borrow a loan from the comfort of your home. So checking on the review, you'll see the different kind of feedback from people based on their experience and what they are feeling about the app. So they will definitely share what they experience. So with this, you'll be able to understand what the app is and how the apps literally work. So you'll be able to know what you'll be getting when you try to use this app to get a loan in Nigeria today. The third loan app which you are going to be looking at in this video is Fair Money, which is one of the banking and loan finance app. So Fair Money is actually trending, and if you are kind of like one of the people that have used loan in the past 2 years, so you'll be able to understand that with Fair Money you can also borrow a loan with USSD code to request for a loan when the app is literally not functioning well, so that they actually want to reach out to everyone and be able to serve everyone. So it's not about the fact that you have an Android phone. If you have a small mobile phone, you can also borrow a loan from Fair Money with USSD code, and it make it easier for everyone to borrow a loan online. With Fair Money, you can get a loan of up to 1 million Naira as well. It also depends on how much you are earning on a monthly basis, and depend on the kind of information you drop about when you are trying to fill out the requirement, because those are the things that are very important. Those are the things that will determine how much they should borrow you on the app. And with Fair Money, you can see they have over 4.4 star rating, and the overall review is over 500,000, which means people are dropping review regarding this app, and the overall download is over 10 million downloads, regardless of people that install this app or not, and regardless of people that use their Fair Money app to borrow a loan or not. So with Fair Money, you can get a smooth loan with less stress, and they also have different features as well. Like I said earlier on, just like Carbon, they also have a bill. You can also pay cable TV, you can buy data subscription, and then airtime as well. So it's very easy to use, and they also have zero hidden fees, so everything will be physical to you. And they also offer ATM card as well, just like Carbon, as I mentioned before, so that you'll be able to use the ATM card to withdraw from the physical ATM machine. And Fair Money is actually trending on number 4 on finance industry, which is why it's actually a great loan app in Nigeria, which you can actually use to borrow a loan online. With Fair Money, you can see different kind of reviews from people, how they feel about the app and what they feel about the app. If the app really work for them. People are dropping review feedback so that you'll be able to understand how the apps work. So you will know what you'll be getting if you try to use this app to borrow a loan online in Nigeria. So make sure you pick one of these loan app and then use it to borrow a loan as at when you would like to get a loan to start a business or to sort out some personal bills. Number 4 loan apps which you are going to be checking out is Scash. Scash is one of the online loan apps that disburse loan as fast as possible. They promise to offer a loan to every individual in Nigeria who need urgent loan to sort out bills or to start a business. And with Scash, you can get a loan of up to like 300,000 naira, and it all depends on the kind of accounts you are running and how much you earn on a monthly basis, because these are the things that all these loan apps look into. They just want to know the kind of person they would like to give a loan, so that to avoid any issue of paying back, they really want to give out a loan to people who really mean a business. So once you borrow a loan from the app, you choose the time you really want to pay back, then you pay back before that time, then they will definitely increase the amount you can actually borrow from the app. Those are the people that they are very interested in to borrow money with using Scash. So if you would like to use Scash to borrow a loan, make sure you are very ready to main a business and you are ready to pay back any amount of loan you borrow from this app. So even me myself, if I borrow someone a loan, I will be very happy if that person pay before the agreement date or within the agreement date, so that even if that person come back again, I'll be able to borrow that person another loan, because I will feel like this person is actually a good person. So far I borrowed the person a loan and he or she was able to pay back as at the agreement date. With that, I'll be very happy. But then if I borrow you a loan and you not pay back as at when we agreed on, you can't come back to me. But some people have no shame, so some people will still come back, and to me personally, if you come back to me, I will feel like you take me as something else. So there's no reason for me to borrow you a loan. I would rather tell you another thing else. So if you really want to borrow money on any loan, I mean any loan, not even only Scash loan only, any loan apps, just make sure you are very ready to pay back the loan you borrow from any of these apps. With that, you'll be able to have access and enjoy all these online loan apps in Nigeria. The number 5 loan app which you'll be getting out or looking out to is Naira. Naira is actually a very new loan app, but I just have to just include this loan app in this video because I feel like I have to just do that. Because if you are really interested in business and you really need huge money to start a business, so Naira should be one of the loan apps you will look into when you're trying to get a loan in Nigeria. So with Naira, you have over 4.5 star rating and over 3,000 reviews on Google Play Store, and then over 100,000 people have downloaded this app, regardless of people that use this app to borrow a loan within the space. And with Naira, you can get a loan of up to 1 million naira. This also depends on how often you receive money to your account. And if you run a student account, I'm not sure you'll be able to get a loan of up to that. Probably you're going to get a loan from like 50,000 less, because they really want to borrow huge, they really want to give out huge money to people who really are really into business, people who are very ready to commit straight and pay back the loan as at when they promise to pay back. So with Naira, you can get a loan as fast as possible. You can also check out the review from different kind of people who have dropped their reviews on what they feel like about this app. These are very, very important, because you literally need to understand what people are actually feeling about any of these loan apps, so that you'll be able to know what you'll be getting on these loan apps, so that it won't be like you just jump up to the app and just start the process of requesting for a loan on the app without reading the terms and conditions, checking out the reviews from different kind of people, because there are some kind of products you might actually want to buy. If you don't see any review from people, you will feel like probably the product is not actually good. So you have to check on the reviews from people to know what you'll be getting on the particular app, so that you definitely know for if the app is actually for you or not. So these are the top 5 loan apps which you can actually look into when you're trying to get a loan in Nigeria, and they are very reliable, trusted, and they offer loan 24/7. You can get a loan anytime you are, even in the middle of the night, as long as you have internet access. There are some people who definitely attend to you. You can also reach out to their customer support when you try to get into any of these loan app in Nigeria today. This is all I have for you in this video, and if you have any question, let me know through the comment section below, and I'll be very much happy to reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. Thank you and have a nice day. Peace.